You don't have to keep doing that. Ew.
Welcome back to Chopper Test Kitchen Quarantine Edition. Obviously, we've gone a little bit stir crazy here. Lindsay gave me a haircut. She shaved my beard to look like this. I will be joining the Sons of Anarchy soon. No need to ask any questions about that. Today, we're doing something a little different, and in the spirit of our godfather, James Hoffman of Now Boarding Radio, the Now Boarding Travel Show. He posted his hot sauce, his little take on hot ones last night. Today, we are totally ripping off Hell's Kitchen's blind taste test. I made some mashed potatoes. Against my better judgment, I did not season anything. No salt, no pepper. Unsalted butter, totally plain. And Lindsay flavored nine different flavors of mashed potatoes. Blind taste test. Let's see how good my palate is.
Are you ready? Excited? Are you ready for number one?
No.
Am I feeding you?
No, gross.
There you go.
Quiet, please. Pickle juice? That's disgusting. It's pickles.
Yep. That one got really thin.
Yeah, it was a little soupy. Thanks.
Are you ready for number two?
No.
It's ready when you are.
Great. I'm not ready. Oh, this is thick. What did you do to this?
You can't smell it.
Why can't I
That's
smell it? It
cheating.
smells like mustard.
You just have to taste it.
It's mustard, I can tell you already.
Yeah, because you smelled it, cheater.
I'm not allowed to smell it?
No, you just have to eat it.
Oh my god.
Is it gross?
Yes. Oh.
What kind of mustard?
Yellow. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You could at least use Dijon. Have some class. How many more of these? 7?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Here's your next one.
I'm not allowed to smell it.
No. It's a taste test.
Why is it so dry?
I don't know. You made them.
It's just potato. It's just plain.
There's something in there. Take another bite.
I don't want to. I have no idea. It doesn't taste like
Let me
anything.
see.
It's
Look at
just
it.
a little bitter.
There's a good bite for you.
I don't want it.
You have to. Ew, don't use that as a napkin.
Well, then give me a napkin.
Okay,
What am I
fine.
supposed to
You
do?
can use it. Just take this bite. I thought you were trying to take it.
I'm trying
Put
to.
it- Okay.
Oh, that's a lot.
But you should be able to taste it in that.
What is in there? Oh, it's so dry.
What's your guess?
I don't know. Some skin? Potato skin?
Is that your final answer? final answer?
Yeah, potato skin.
It was cilantro.
I didn't even know we had cilantro. Did you even chop it up, or it was just the whole leaf in there?
I just ripped it up a little.
Oh.
Here's the next one when you're ready.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Disgusting. That's chocolate syrup?
Is that your guess?
Yeah.
It's Nutella.
Get it away from me.
Here's the next one when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm not ready. Thank you.
It's very entertaining on my end.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
This one got thick too.
Yeah.
It's like pasty. Take a small bite of that one.
Oh! Is that jalapeno? It's spicy. Jesus. Is that ghost pepper? That's spicier than jalapeno.
Is that your final guess?
Yeah, it's
Ghost pepper?
ghost pepper, yeah.
Cayenne.
Oh,
Here's your next one when you're ready.
this feels kind of soupy.
Go ahead. Don't smell
Why?
it. 'Cause
When you're laughing like that, it makes me think it's something even more disgusting than I've already eaten. Nutella mashed potatoes. This is so bad. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Is that maple syrup?
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. Okay. How many more?
3 more.
Okay.
Cleanse your palate, and here's your next one.
I don't know why, but like my instinct was to just blow on it. Like it's not even. I know it's not hot. I don't know why that's a reaction. I'm glad you're enjoying this. Ew, what is in there? Oh, it's disgusting.
What was your guess?
It's some kind. I think it's some kind of like dried herb.
But what was it?
I want to say parsley. Ugh. I think it's like. I think it's dried parsley.
Dried mint.
Ew. This is the last one.
2 more. Here's your next one when you're ready.
Oh, this is a little soupy too. So that tells me it's probably a liquid. Smart.
Thinking now.
Oh, why is it so cold? Yogurt?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, last one. Thank God.
Cleanse your palate.
My palate's already. Who cares? I've had Nutella, maple syrup, cayenne, mint.
There you go. Last one.
Oh, it's garlic. I can smell it from here. Done. Garlic.
You have to taste it.
I am telling you right now, it's garlic.
You have to taste it.
Garlic.
You have to taste it.
It's garlic.
Taste it. You
I can
can't do it by
smell it.
smell.
How much did you put in there?
Just taste.
Seriously, I didn't even move, and Like if I was a vampire. Oh my god. How much garlic is in here?
Give it a taste.
Yeah. Garlic.
Garlic is your final answer.
Yeah.
Take another bite.
No.
It's not garlic.
There's no way it's not garlic.
It's not garlic.
Shut up. You just want me to eat more of it.
I promise it is not garlic.
Get out. No, it's...
It is not garlic.
Where's the garlic coming from? Are you holding garlic under my face?
No.
I swear to God.
It is. I swear to God, it is not garlic.
Are you...
Just take a big bite.
No.
It's not bad. If you think it's garlic, it can't be that horrible. I put garlic as your answer.
It smelled so much like garlic. What did you do?
I didn't do anything. I just put something in there.
But now, like, it's a little buttery.
I whipped up a garlic butter.
No, you didn't.
No, I did not.
I'm starting with garlic.
Black truffle oil. Congratulations, you got 4 out of 9 correct. How do you feel after this? Would you like to see what they look like?
Throw up? No, I don't think I do. Especially the Nutella one.
I think the cayenne one looks the worst. The Nutella
What
does
is it,
look
like
pretty gross.
orange? Oh.
You want more of this one?
No, can
More
we see
Nutella.
this? Do you see this? Oh. What's the... Oh, is that mustard?
Yeah.
Oh. That's maple syrup? Cayenne? Nutella?
Yep.
Mint?
Yep.
Black truffle oil, apparently. What was this one?
Yogurt.
Oh. What was
Pickle
that?
juice.
Yeah, got the pickle one. Wow. So there we have it. Only 4 out of 9. A little disappointing. I was pretty close on a couple. The dried herb, it really didn't taste like mint. Chocolate syrup and Nutella. Come on, close enough. I think I should have got at least half credit on those. So that's 5 out of 9.
No.
Yes. So, if you like this video, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. If you want to know more about the show, make sure to check out nowboardingradio.com. You can find out everything about Chopper Test Kitchen, about the Now Boarding Travel Show with Dan, Jimmy, Moody. And you can also learn about Oscar Mike with 2G, a frequent guest of the show whenever we can see other people again, hopefully soon. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.